Hi, this is Kevin Young, Motion Specialist for C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a motion product moment featuring the Siemens G115D distributed drive. Better ideas are coming from thinking outside the box. Siemens has released the G115D, an improved distributed drive designed specifically to be installed outside the box with improved functions and reduced cost. The drive is IP65 or IP66 and targets conveyor controls and remote installs, not needing an enclosure for the drive. It can be mounted directly on a Siemens gear motor or installed remotely and wired to any motor, and also meet the NEMA Type 1 and 4X requirements. The drive includes inputs and outputs for typical conveyor applications that work in collaboration with a PLC. The PLC can tell the drive when to go, and the drive itself monitors local inputs to know when to stop, all while it communicates status back to the PLC. Siemens provides easy setup selections anticipating common conveyor types, such as end-of-conveyor product detection and reduced speed final stop input triggers for more repeatable product placement. The Siemens G115D integrates into the overall PLC project and can utilize the outside-the-box Smart Access module for configuration and troubleshooting from your smart device or cell phone. The new drive offers Safe Torque Off as standard and includes Ethernet IP, OSI, and Profinet as optional communications. A local disconnect switch is available too. That's the Siemens G115D distributed drive.